Hello everybody, I hope everybody's having a great day today. Okay, so today is essentially the second part of my Sigma Corderosa. And this is, finally I have a newer palette for once. It's been out for a bit, but I finally have a newer palette. The Ambience palette! Oh, Samantha made it look so beautiful and easy. And look at even the insert, and it's thick. It's not a flimsy little doodad condom thing. But look at these. Look at these eyeshadows. Look at how amazingly beautiful they are. Oh, I can't. I can't. And I'm hoping this time the excitement will calm down a little bit so I can do a full eye look as opposed to running away after forgetting to do my eyeliner. Oh, good criminy, this is insane. Okay, so I haven't even inspected this because I wanted to do an absolute first time look. And I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know. I didn't even rewatch Samantha's video when she put this on. Okay, you know what? I think I'm going to start with Bdelium and then enrich all over my lid. And then marigold. Let's see. Unless I change my mind. Unless. Give the mirror a quick. There we go. Okay. Okay. Now, I'm going to try the E40. I'm going to try that. What did I say? Marigold. Okay. Maybe I can bring you guys a little bit closer. Just a little bit. There we go. Let's see. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. It had to wake up. It needed its caffeine intake. And it took a few seconds to get the caffeine through my pores. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Well, one thing I can say, today is Sunday, and yesterday, Saturday, my hubs and I went to get our second shot. We are, well, I can't say we're fully immunized yet, 2 weeks, and then we will be. It just takes a couple of weeks to get everything sorted, and we are done. And the funny thing is, we had everybody tell us, oh yeah, I got so sick, it felt awful, my arm, I couldn't move it, this, that, and the other. I have no problem. No problem. And I feel like the first shot I got, I wasn't sick, but I was really tired. For 3 days, I was really, really tired. Granted, it doesn't take much for me because, yeah. So, and the fact that yesterday I did more walking than I've done in over a year on top of that, and I had trouble falling asleep, I was so excited. I can't tell you why yet because I want the videos to come out. Nothing earth-shattering, unfortunately, but I want to save it for the video. So I was really excited yesterday. Like, literally like a 5-year-old waiting for a birthday present. It was insane. You know what? I like that color. I definitely like that color. Yeah. Okay, do I have my switch? Where'd my switch go? Okay, I've got a rag here. I'm not going to deal with the switch. Now, what did I say I was going to use? Enrich. Enrich. Yeah, I can read. Enrich. Now, one thing I've noticed Samantha does is she puts it all over her lid. And I like that. So I'm going to do the same. I'm going to try to do the same in the crease, because the other one is just above my crease. And that's not working. Let's try this now. I have to wash my brushes after this too. I have managed a couple of times now to do 2 videos in one day. And there's 4 videos I want to do. Yeah, that'll never happen. But there's 4, 5. There's 5 videos I want to do. I have to pull back a little because otherwise I'm going to hurt myself. Okay, this, I don't know why I'm having trouble blending this one. Well, it could be the fact that I'm not good at blending to begin with. Enrich is giving me a bit of a headache. And I have to keep putting it on. I want to switch to another color, but if you make a mistake on one eye, you have to copy it on the other. That is not a hard and fast rule, but it's a good plan. I can't remember who I heard that from. This was early on in me watching YouTubers, and it was either Nikia Joy or Tati, one of the two. And ever since then, look at, do you guys see that? Don't get old, people. Don't get old. Okay, let's see if I can do this. You're not supposed to pull. I've never seen it that bad before. I've never seen it that bad before. Okay, what's going on, Sigma? Is this you? Okay. I am going to try a lighter color. Summer Solstice. I'm going to try Summer Solstice. My hair's still wet. It is so muggy here. Like I had my, an hour and a half ago I got out of the shower. And I don't have a lot of hair, so it shouldn't be still wet. But it's so muggy that things don't dry. Just, they don't. Okay, let's see. I'm not having fun. Why? How does she make it look so easy? She does. She made it look so easy. Okay, it's looking better. I just don't like that creasing at all. I've never, like, I mean, I've had little skips when I'm putting eyeshadow because of the creasing, but I've never had it look like stretch marks. Never. That is, I want to cry. I'm gonna have to get another eye cream going because the one I'm using right now is obviously not doing a thing. And that's the Henkin, I think. It's not doing a thing. But you know what? The brown with the lighter is looking nice. I just don't like these creases. Okay, let's go back to the first color. Let's see if we can soften all of that up a little bit. Criminy, 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 criminy. I shouldn't have taken off my, I took off my barrettes so that my hair could dry properly, finish drying properly, and I could brush it before I did the video. And I knew this was going to happen, my hair going in my face every 10 seconds. Because I have so little of it and it's so fine, it's just a simple flyaway. Look at, it's perfect on this side, and this side is so awful. Okay. Let's see if I have any concealer left in here. Or as Nadie says, consweet. I can't believe my camera, it was at 3 bars. My camera battery was at 3 bars. Yeah, I'll be lucky to get 2 videos done today. I'll be lucky if I can even finish this. Okay, this is how we find out how long it takes for it to go from flashing to dead before I have to put the battery in to charge, because I don't have a second battery yet. I guess I'm not doing eyeliner again today. Okay, so I said marigold. Let's see. Oh, that is nice. That is very nice. Oh, wow. Yeah, very wow. Oh. Now, let's really give it some oomph. Even though I don't like using fingers, it's the best way to do it. Oh my goodness. And just a quick little blend. Oh, that's so beautiful. And then let us see what we can do. Firefly. That used to be a good show. I love that show. They shouldn't have canceled it after 1 season. They really shouldn't. And all they did, after all the backlash, instead of bringing it back, they did 1 movie. Really? My geek is coming out. Sigma, I love you guys. You can send me anything, Sigma. I will never say no. I will be happy to take presents from you very happily. Oh, wow. That is beautiful. And what I'm going to do now is go and put mascara on, put my battery in to charge, and I shall be back. Okay, I'm back. Fully charged battery, check. Eyes beautiful, check. And Sigma Ambience palette, amazing, check. I gotta tell you, I do love it. I got a little wonky there at the beginning with this dark brown eyeshadow. Did a lot of skipping on my creases, and then I switched it and worked with it, and then I used this to do my liner. Just did a tiny little bit of liner and mascara. And I think it's beautiful. On this side of the multiverse, I think is absolutely fantabulous. Like, absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. Now I just need the other two palettes. One is the neutrals, and the other one, I can't remember the name of it, but it's more bright. It's a white palette with brighter shades in it, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's one that was introduced to me by Kelly Gooch, who's also very fabulous, and she does, like, I mean, every eye look I've seen on her, it looks magical. So and I'm not just talking about the Sigma looks, every eye look I have seen on her looks magical. So she's got talent as well. It's insane. But yeah, there we go. There, this is my beautiful face, ready to do at least one more video, except for the creasing, because I can't seem to find a decent concealer. But that's a me problem. But yeah, there we go. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. Once again, please leave me a comment, like my video, subscribe to my channel. A bientôt.